Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to make a business account on Instagram. So first, ensure you have the Instagram app installed on your smartphone. Then after installation, if you already have an Instagram account, log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up using your email address or phone number. Next, go ahead and go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. Then scroll down until you see account type, and here you can see two options called switch to professional account or add new professional account. Simply go ahead and tap on switch to professional account. Then here you can tap on next. Then after tapping on next, you will be given an option to choose between creator or business. Select the business. Then you can customize your business account. Now you guys know how to make a business account on your Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.